School, we always had our own dreams. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa America, fulfilling those dreams, and hopefully we'll always be successful.
Kasi yung sa dekada ng benta, just a brief background kung paano ko nag-start, how it evolved, and why are we here right now. So, ito kasi lang nag-start nung...
May mga tao pa sa labas eh. Hey boys!
So guys, bago na tayo, alis tayo dito, we're gonna start like around 4:30 or 4 after we wrap up the time in a gym. As you can see, walang alcohol na pwede i-serve dito. Kaya doon tayo tutuloy natin yung banding na. So, yung balikan ko sa dekada ng benta. Nag-first start ko when, lahat tayo nakikita-kita on our small gatherings. And then, parang hindi nagiging solid yung grupo. So, first thing we did was, si Edward, si Jake,
Marvin,
si Michael Buena, we went up to San Jose, tapos doon namin i-start. And then, as usual, naging malungkot kasi wala ba yung girls side sa pabulitan. Kaya kami lang nagulahan. And then, sabi ko, paano kaya natin makakuha kasi hindi naka-US. And that's when we started yung Friends to around dekada ng benta. So yun, na-merge namin the full schools, and right now we have 129 members. So which is really good. So, and then one thing more, kung gusto lang natin, kasi tayo ay parang organization na walang tinutulungan charity. So we could do something about it. I'm so proud of you guys, first consequence. All the way from Canada, we made it through. Let's see Jerry, Georgia. So, that's how we do it. So, I hope we could do this, at least twice a year. I mean, once every 2 years. Because, I love it every year. I know you guys are busy and really hard to fit in the schedule. So, ganun yung parang gagawin natin.
So yung mechanics is, first say something about yourself, where you're from, what you do. Tapos second is yung shining moments dito sa United States. O kasi siguro Philippines, pwede. Tapos third is yung any bloomers.
Yung bloomers is yung una ka mga isipan ng mga bloomers mo. Okay? Masisig na mauna.
Pero alam ko, tinatawag na akong Jengis. Kaya dito sa Amerika, shining moment ko, ang pangalan ko, Jake. Anyway, I'm a nurse. I got here, kaming wife ko si Rochelle, 1999. We were working in for 7 years. Shining moment? Well, for us as nurses, makapasa ng NCLEX, ang kasi daw dyan shining moment. Blooper. Ayaw ko sana ikwento, pero first sa drive-thru, meron yung parang garbage ka na malaki. Akala ko yung pinang-order. Tsaka pag nag-English yung sanay, Doctor kasi, the patient. What's next? Oh, I graduated from lab, center muna, lab, and then girls side. Girls side.
Dito sa ating girls side,
Girls side ako.
able to buy your own house with me and my sister. Bloopers, yung nag-bloopers sa atin. Scooby-Doo skin. Ito Robin Sassen. Kaya tumawag pa yung pharmacy to verify kung ano yung in-order ko.
Yes. Hello, si Ethel to. Formerly Ethel Alivio, kung natatandaan nyo. I'm married now kay Rene Chasa. With one daughter. Galing kami sa San Jose. Nakapag na dyan! Malagas! Anyways, shining moments. Nakalimutan ko yung ano. I took the exam for medical technology here sa US. So, luckily, nakakuha ko ng license. So, I work as a medtech sa isang reference lab sa San Jose. Tapos, if you remember, sabi nga naman, tumbling ako ng tumbling nung elementary. Ngayon, yung daughter ko naman ang nag-gymnastics. So, kung hindi ko nagawa last time, siya na nagpapatuloy doon. So, she already had competition sa state. So, nakagin na siya sa state finals. Mga 2 years from now, mas magaling na siya. So, yun lang. Bloopers. Blooper, diba? Ayun, nasa airport kami. Yung ano pala yung mga flash ng toilet. Automatic. Ang tagal naman pag-flash, nag-aanap ko ng flash. Pag ganun po, nag-flash. So, yun yung blooper. So, anyway, thank you for coming. So, hope everybody will have fun. Thank you. Edward.
Mas president namin yan. Ayaw. Anyway, and kapag kami at that, tapos, shining moment, currently I'm in the house, and my shining moment is